The sharing apple. It was a bright afternoon. Lily and Ben were best friends. They always walked home together after school. One day, while they were walking, Ben saw something red and shiny under a tree. "Look, Lily. An apple," he said excitedly. He ran and picked it up. The apple looked fresh, big, and delicious. Ben was very hungry after school. He looked at the apple and thought, "This looks so yummy. I want to eat it right now." But when he turned to Lily, he saw that she looked tired and hungry too. For a moment, Ben didn't know what to do. Should he eat it all by himself, or should he share it with his best friend? He looked at Lily again and smiled. "Lily, let's share this apple together," he said kindly. Lily's eyes lit up with joy. "Really? Thank you, Ben. You're so kind." Ben carefully divided the apple into 2 pieces. He gave one half to Lily and kept one for himself. They sat under the tree and ate together, laughing and talking happily. The apple tasted even sweeter because they shared it. While they were eating, a gentle wind blew, and suddenly, another apple fell from the tree. They both laughed. "See, Ben. The tree gave us one more apple because we shared," said Lily. Ben smiled and nodded. "Yes, I think the tree is happy too." From that day on, Ben and Lily always shared what they had: food, toys, and smiles. They learned that when you share, you don't lose anything. You gain happiness, kindness, and a true friend.